We shall see the seventh problem, a 25 kVA. So what is the full rated kVA? They have given the full rated kVA is equal to 25 kVA. That is the rating of the transformer. That is the capacity of the transformer, 25 kVA. And 220 volt, okay, 220 volt bar 1100 volts. So V1 is equal to 220 volts, V2 is equal to 1100, okay, 1100, V2 is equal to 1100 volts. So 1100 volts. Transformer has maximum efficiency. So N max is how much? N max is equal to 97.6%, 0.976 is the efficiency, maximum efficiency when operating at 92% load. When operating at 92% load means what is the load? Load at which the efficiency is maximum? 92% load. So A is equal to 0.92. So with a power factor of 0.85 power factor, 0.85 PF. Okay, find its efficiency. I had to calculate efficiency at 60% is how much with at 0.7 power factor. See here, they have given full rated kVA of 25 kVA with so and so voltage ratios, and they have given N max efficiency, maximum efficiency is 0.976 at a load of 0.92%, 92%. Okay, A is equal to 0.92 and 0.85 is the power factor at which the efficiency is maximum. Then I have to calculate 60% of the load. What would be the efficiency? I have to calculate what would be the efficiency at 60% load at 0.7 power factor. First we have these two, V1 and V2 is not at all needed. This data is not at all needed, just they have given, leave it. Only for calculating the efficiency and all we need copper loss, iron loss, what is the percentage of loading, power factor. Only that much is more than enough, full rated kVA. So what they have given, 0.92 means 92% of load, 92% of load. 0.92 is equal to square root of Wi by WCU. Right now Wi by WCU is equal to that is the 92% of load. It is not even A is equal to 0.92 into 25 kVA. Actually that is the kVA at which the efficiency is maximum, right? Like that I have to write what is 0.92. 0.92 is equal to square root of Wi divided by WCU. Wi divided by WCU. So square root of Wi divided by WCU is equal to 0.92. So now both the side, if I square root it, 0.92 square into WCU is equal to Wi, right? WCU at full load. See here 0.92, if I square it, it will come Wi divided by WCU. WCU at full load is equal to Wi. This is one link I have got, okay, but I don't know Wi also, I don't know WCU at full load also. What else they have given? Anything else they have given? Yes, they have given about the maximum efficiency with power factor also they have given, okay. Maximum efficiency at power factor. At what load the efficiency is maximum? Efficiency of around 0.976 is the maximum efficiency, is equal to what is the percentage of load? 0.92, that is x is equal to 0.92 at which the efficiency is maximum. 0.92 into what is the full rated kVA? 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into power factor. What is the power factor they have given? 0.85 power factor. 0.85 power factor. So divided by same thing, 0.92 into 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into 0.85 plus Wi plus WCU, right? Wi plus WCU, they have given, see here, they have given a 25 kVA transformer has maximum efficiency at 97.6%. 97.6%. It is a maximum efficiency. When the maximum efficiency comes, when Wi must be equal to WCU, right? So Wi must be equal to WCU means instead of writing x square WCU, can I write Wi only? Yes, I can write like this. So this will give you 2 Wi is equal to 2. So this implies 2 Wi must be equal to 0.92 into 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into 0.85 divided by, this will come to denominator, divided by 0.976. This part will be here, this will come to this side, minus of 0.92 into 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into 0.85. So 2 Wi must be equal to, so it will come around 2 Wi is equal to 480.73. So what is Wi now? Wi is equal to 480.73 divided by 2. It will come around 240.36 watts. So now one more relation we have here, Wi is equal to 0.92 square plus WCU at full load. This is one more hint they have given. So now we have I. So WCU at full load is equal to, WCU at full load is equal to Wi divided by 0.92 square, that is equal to, okay. So now it will come around WCU at full load is equal to, what is Wi? 240.36 divided by 0.92 square. It come around 283.98 watts. So now we have got what is core loss and copper loss at full load. Now it is easy to calculate. Find its efficiency at 60% of load with 0.75. Now for 60% of load, what is 60% of load? What is x? 0.6 is the x, right? X into what is the full rated kVA? 25 kVA. 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into power factor. At what power factor I have to calculate? 0.7 power factor I have to calculate. So 0.7, the same thing I have to write it here. 0.6 into 25 into 10 to the power of 3 into 0.7 plus Wi. What is Wi? 240 in 0.36 plus x square WCU at full load. What is x? 0.6 whole square into 283.98. So this will come around n 60%, eta 60% is equal to, it will come around 96.84%. 96.84%. So iron loss we have calculated 240.36. What is copper loss at full load? 283.98. It comes around 284 watts. Now I will just review the problem. So they have given the full rated kVA 225 kVA. This is the full rating of the transformer. So these two data you just leave it. This problem is purely an efficiency. This data is not needed. Maximum efficiency they have given 0.976, means 97.6 is the percentage is the maximum efficiency. Maximum efficiency to be occur, what would be the condition? Wi must be equal to WCU. So the percentage of load at which the efficiency is maximum means square root of Wi divided by WCU must be equal to 0.92. Yes. So using that, 0.92 must be equal to square root of Wi divided by WCU. So 0.92 square must be equal to WCU at full load is equal to Wi. Right? So squaring this side, Squaring this side, that will yields to this. Mark this as equation number 1. Now one more hint they have given. This efficiency 97.6% efficiency, 0.976%. What is the formula for efficiency? That you have to write it here. 0.976 must be equal to, so 0.92 is the percentage of load at which the efficiency is maximum. This is the percentage of load. 0.92, 92% of loading you are doing out of 25.25 kVA. So 0.92 x into full rated kVA into power factor 0.85 at 0.85 power factor. So the same is the output. Since this efficiency is maximum, iron loss must be equal to copper loss, right? So Wi plus Wi. Since iron loss must be equal to copper loss, I am writing instead of 0.92 square WCU at full load, I am writing Wi only. So 2 Wi it comes. So 2 Wi is equal to 480.73. So Wi yields 240.36. At this particular load, Wi must be equal to WCU. Wi must be equal to WCU means at this particular load, Wi must be equal to x square times the WCU at full load. Because Wi is a constant loss, WCU at full load is, WCU will be varying with respect to x. So that's why this must be equal to this. Instead of writing this x square into WCU, I am writing Wi. So it yield 240.36. Now WCU at full load is equal to Wi divided by 0.992 square. Yes, WC from equation number 1. From equation number 1, WCU at full load is equal to Wi divided by 0.92 square. So it yields around 284 watts. Now efficiency at 60% is equal to 0.6 x into full rated kVA into power factor. At what power factor I have to calculate? At 0.7 power factor. So 0.7 divided by 0.6 into 25 into the same thing output plus Wi. Wi is equal to 240 into x square into WCU at full load 0.6 square 283 so it comes around 96.84%. This kind of problem frequently appear in the examination. Please look into it. Thank you.